this video, we'll introduce you to the DATEDIFF function. So our file is DATEDIFFtemp. And this function is not on a function wizard. Okay, so the way it works is you just type equal DATEDIFF, a starting date and ending date, and you type Y in quotes for years. You want how many full years are the difference between the dates, M for months and D for days. For example, if you have these two dates here, October 15, 2006 and April 10, 2008, that's almost 2 years difference, but not quite. So you would do DATEDIFF, you do the starting date, you do the ending date, and then you put in quotes Y for year. So that's 1 full year. And then I could do DATEDIFF, starting date, ending date, how many full months. In other words, partial months are not counted. Very useful for accounting. Okay, to know how many years you kept the machine, for example. This could be the time you bought the machine and when you sold it. And you go DATEDIFF, starting date, ending date, and put days in quotes. And that's really all there is to this function. I can use that formula text for those of you who have Excel 2013. And you can see, double click at the top, I can write in the column. You can see the formulas there. So that's pretty simple. If only everything in Excel and life were that simple, things would be great. Now we'll get on something a little more complicated, Excel financial functions.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.